Innovation is to technology as inclusiveness is to water. Deepening is to technology as perseverance is to water. The stunning birth of the latest AnySort color sorter is the mission entrusted to our company by the cloud era, which also opened a new chapter for the whole industry. AnySort overturned the tradition with its strength. For the first time, it applied Hawkeye technology, cloud technology, IoT technology, and other new technologies. In the fine sorting of rice, tea, cereal, plastics, mineral, and other industries, it has reaped numerous fruits, leading one after another trend constantly. AnySort high-end rice sorter, which uses new, higher-ranking Hawkeye technology, can intelligently detect small and tiny defects, lightly yellowed rice, and other impurities in raw materials. It can separate yellow and white colors 100%, thus further safeguarding food quality and safety. Its tea sorter uses advanced intelligent shape sorting that divides tea into different grades precisely, thus ensuring high quality of final tea products. Its cereal, plastics, and mineral sorting machines also lead the industry. The addition of cloud, IoT, and their intelligent visualization technologies liberated human hands, truly realizing real-time online and human-machine interaction platform.